Hello and welcome to the video about the BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0 enhancements in the BMC Remedy Force Summer 15 release. In this video, you'll get a quick overview of the IT asset management capability that has been added to BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0. You will also learn more about the BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0 enhancements for system administrators and the Enhanced Remedy Force CMDB tab for users. BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0 now includes the ability to store and manage IT assets along with configuration items or CIs. An asset typically represents an object that an organization tracks to manage cost and mitigate risk. IT asset management entails collecting inventory, financial, and contractual data to manage an IT asset throughout its life cycle. Let's take a look at how the existing BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0 framework has been leveraged to store and manage assets and CIs. Both assets and CIs can now coexist in BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0. To store asset-related data, new class types such as asset, rule-based asset, and CI asset, new and updated out-of-the-box classes such as mobile, tablet, server, and router, and new attributes such as asset status, asset age, and asset birth date have been added to the CMDB Common Data Model. CMDB class management has also been enhanced to manage these new classes. New BMC Remedy Force CMDB permission options have been added to the client and user forms to control the records that staff members can see and manage on the Remedy Force CMDB tab. A new asset management dashboard is available on the Dashboards tab. This new dashboard enables users to view key asset management metrics. Asset management enhancements are covered in more detail in a separate video. Now let's look at the BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0 enhancements for system administrators that are available on the Remedy Force Administration tab. In the Summer 15 release, system administrators can use the enhanced UI to configure many new capabilities in BMC Remedy Force CMDB. For example, model management, location management, and data normalization. The existing BMC Remedy Force CMDB list view customization has also been enhanced in this release, and the ability to track attribute history has been improved. A new Configure CMDB 2.0 tile is now available on the Remedy Force Administration tab. The new locations, models, normalization exceptions, normalization rules, and track attribute history subtiles are available on this tile. And the existing classes and list view customization subtiles have been moved from Remedy Force Administration application settings to the Configure CMDB 2.0 tile. The CMDB General Settings tab contains options to enable or disable IT asset management or CI management. Either IT asset management or CI management must be enabled in your organization. From this tab, you can also schedule the normalization process, and you can automatically configure the birth date of an asset. In upgrade environments, this tab also contains an option to enable models. In this release, 5 out-of-the-box views enable system administrators to manage the list view columns displayed on the Remedy Force CMDB tab. These views are Base Element All, Base Element Asset, Base Element CI, Business Service, and Physical Location. System administrators can now also create and manage custom list views for a class from the List View customization page. Tracking changes to specific attributes of an asset or CI enables users to know not only what changes were made, but also who made the changes and when. With the new Track Attribute History tab, system administrators can now track an unlimited number of standard and custom fields in the base element object. This increase is a significant improvement over the maximum of 20 attributes that could be tracked in previous releases. The Track Attribute History tab also contains a filter that enables system administrators to select a class to see which fields are applicable for the selected class. Changes to selected attributes are tracked for all CMDB classes that contain these attributes. In addition, the tracking history is retained until the data is manually deleted. The new location form enables system administrators to manage locations more effectively. Location records are stored as instances of the physical location CI class. System administrators can access all locations from the New Locations tab, whether they are created from the location form or the instance editor. If the physical location CI class is hidden or if CI management is disabled, system administrators can use the location form to create and manage location records for IT asset management. From the location form, system administrators can also easily create and manage relationships between a location and an asset or a CI instance. Models enable system administrators to achieve data consistency and help users reduce the time required to create CIs and assets. When you have consistent data, it's easier to locate key information, analyze data, and generate relevant reports. You can think of models as catalog items or templates that you use to create CIs and assets. System administrators can now create and manage models to standardize key attribute values such as model name and manufacturer name in CIs and assets. When users select a model for a CI or an asset, the model name and other attributes that are specified in the selected model are also applied to the CI or asset. Data can sometimes be inconsistent and inaccurate. Normalization is the process of organizing objects and attributes to minimize and ideally avoid redundancy. The normalization process is especially useful to drive consistency in data that is imported on an ongoing basis from external sources such as spreadsheets and discovery tools. The normalization capabilities introduced in BMC Remedy4 Summer 15 empower system administrators to define rules for accepting and reviewing data. The new features provide a simple and intuitive way to handle exceptions and minimize inconsistent and inaccurate data. Now we'll look at the enhancements that are available to users on the Remedy4 CMDB tab. Users now have access to the Enhanced Instance Editor, Enhanced Multiple Instance Editor, Enhanced CMDB Explorer, and Advanced Search Filters. In the Remedy4 console, users can also link CIs and assets to records. In this release, the Instance Editor, which you access from the Remedy4 CMDB tab, has been enhanced. Model name, supported by, asset age, model manufacturer, asset status, location, and asset birth date are new attributes that are available on the Attributes General tab in the Instance Editor. From the All tab in the left navigation pane of the Remedy4 CMDB tab, based on the instance type that you select, such as CI, CI asset, or asset, only the asset status attribute, only the CI status attribute, or both attributes are dynamically displayed in the Instance Editor. Additionally, the asset birth date and asset age attributes are displayed only for instances of the CI and asset, and rule-based asset classes. The new location attribute on the General tab in the Instance Editor enables users to easily search for a CI or asset and assign a location to it. Prior to BMC Remedy4's Summer 15, to assign a location to a CI, users were required to navigate to the Relationships tab and perform multiple steps to create a relationship between the CI and the appropriate instance of the physical location CI class. Several improvements have also been made to the BMC Remedy4 CMDB to enable users to view and navigate to related information. For example, users can point to the icon next to the model name attribute to view details about the selected model. Users can also navigate to model details from the CI or asset by clicking the model name link. This action takes the user to the model page where they can view details about the model, including a list of any associated CIs and assets. This enhanced navigation has been added to the location, model name, primary client, and supported by attributes. Enhanced navigation to related objects improves usability and empowers users to quickly see more relationships. For example, all instances associated to a location, model, and contact. Depending on the IT asset management and CI management configuration, object permission of the class, and BMC Remedy4 CMDB user permission assigned, users can now edit multiple assets and CIs of a class from the Remedy4 CMDB tab. In the Multiple Instance Editor, users can update the editable fields that are shown on the General and Specifications tabs of the Instance Editor. For rule-based asset classes, fields of the superclass based on which the rules criteria have been set are not editable. The CI Explorer has been renamed to CMDB Explorer. When both CI Management and IT Asset Management are enabled, the CMDB Explorer displays related CIs and assets and the available CI to CI, CI to asset, asset to asset, and asset to CI relationships. From the Filter by List on the toolbar, you can select options to display both CIs and assets, only CIs, or only assets and the corresponding relationships. When only CI Management is enabled, the CMDB Explorer displays only related CIs and CI to CI relationships. When only IT Asset Management is enabled, the CMDB Explorer displays only related assets and asset to asset relationships. The Filter by List on the toolbar is not displayed when only CI Management or IT Asset Management is enabled. The existing keyword-based search in the CMDB list view on the Remedy for CMDB tab has been enhanced with advanced search filters. Users can now either perform a keyword-based search or apply specific filter criteria to instances in the CMDB list view. Advanced search filters enable users to perform a more precise search that can be based on multiple criteria. For example, users can search for all printers with the in repair status. Users can apply dynamic search filters or save frequently used filters. The ability to save search filters makes retrieving specific CIs and assets quick and easy. You can now link both CIs and assets to records such as incidents, service requests, problems, and so on the Remedy4's console tab. You can simultaneously link one or more assets and CIs to a record, and the records that are linked to CIs and assets are displayed on the Details tab of the corresponding CIs and assets in the instance editor. For more information about these enhancements, refer to the BMC Remedy4 Summer 15 online documentation. We hope this video has helped to familiarize you with the BMC Remedy4's CMDB 2.0 enhancements in the BMC Remedy4 Summer 15 release. Thank you for watching.